Don't you hate when you put your foundation on and your skin just looks so dry and all of your texture is enhanced? Well, that foundation is probably not the right one for you, but that doesn't mean you have to throw it out. I'm Donna. I've been a professional makeup artist and educator for over 16 years, and I'm going to show you how to make your foundation work for you. Most of the popular foundations that are out there are more full coverage, which means they're going to be more of a matte finish. And if you have dry skin, that's just not going to work for you. But you might have bought it anyways because someone swore that it was great. I want you to take your facial oil and mix it into your foundation. Let's compare. I'm going to do one side no oil, one side with oil. No oil on this side, but I did do my normal skincare prep, which has a moisturizer that has oil in it. But if you get close, you can see that I have a bunch of texture right here, and the foundation is just not sitting on my skin nicely. Even if you look at my nose, it all looks textured. There's no smoothness going on here. By the way, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in Matte and Poreless. I'm taking this primer oil from Ritual de Fille and just gonna put a drop or two right into that mixture. Then mix it all together. We're basically creating a new formula of foundation. The more you know. And there's the oil side. Same foundation, but when you mix in oil, you get a very dewy, radiant finish. A word of caution, when you add the oil, it is going to shear out your foundation a little bit, but as you can see, the coverage is pretty much the same on both sides. I just have a different finish. And that, my friends, is how you make your own tinted face oil. Which side do you like better?